Look who's arrived. I just hear some startup in my garage opening. What's going on over here? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, well, not really doing nothing. We're just trying to get ready for the desert over here. We got Genesis. He's trying.
What's going on?
He's trying.
Desert season?
Yes, guys. So, as you guys know, we are, especially me, very, very excited to finally get back in these toys. A lot of you guys have been asking about the sand car. Eddie, did you buy a sand car? No. This is my pop sand car. It's just here because I did the oil pan gasket, oil change, transmission fluid flush. Just went over the car. We have to change out the brake caliper right here. So, well, look at that. See? That's no bueno right there. So we got a brake fluid leaking. Swap that caliper out, and we're going to change the cutting brakes in this thing. But we're mostly excited about just getting out finally to the desert, guys. Candy's back. Candy's still running, but Candy actually got some new paddles. Actually, I won't show them to you yet. We'll keep it a surprise.
That's a big difference.
Big difference, yeah. So he got new paddles, but right now, what he's installed is his turbo gauge. Look at that little turbo action. I don't know if you guys can see that. Boost gauge. Oh, he's got you. Oh, there you go.
There you go.
There you go. A little fancy.
It just moved. It just turned on.
What? Oh, you're not gonna have boost with the car off. What are you talking about? So he wants to install a boost gauge just because he's curious to know pretty much, you know, his boost. What's going on? These things have no boost gauge on it, and I don't blame the guy. I don't want to know my boost also. So we're running that right now. He just drilled a little hole there, and he's going to figure out what's going on in that situation over there. But I'm very excited, except for the rammer, guys. The rammer, you know, I don't know what we're going to do. So for the CP3 that you guys have been talking to me about, guys, trust me, I'm waiting. I actually talked to the company today. Well, when you see the video, it'll be yesterday. Talked to the company yesterday, and they finally got the lines that they need, and they're test fitting everything. And I don't want to say the company X. I don't know which company I'm buying from, but as soon as I buy from, for which company I buy it from, I will let you guys know. But hopefully, so my fear is I probably won't get this thing till the end of October, maybe November. I'm worried about towing the ding ding because if it's a CP4, this is what I have. I just read an article yesterday. Now, I don't know if it's true. So a lot of people are grenading these CP4s in these trucks, and they're taking them back, you know, to the dealership for warranty. Well, the warranty department is telling them you have two options. You can either wait, you know, we can fix a truck, but your truck won't be done till like the end of 2021, which is ridiculous, or we give you your money back. I'm just like, what? That's both horrible options, because what that tells me is pretty much you have nothing. Now you just, you know, your truck is gone. So I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know. Comment down below. Would you guys take the risk?
Get a Ford.
Get a Ford. Because what I was thinking, and again, we don't even know if the CP4 is bad.
Get a Ford.
So what I'm debating on is we're trying to, number one, I can't even test to see if the fuel pressure sensor or the fuel actuator, or the fuel, so we tried as you guys know, the fuel control actuator. That wasn't the problem. The fuel pressure sensor I can't even get, and the fuel pressure regulator I can't even get. There's two sensors on the fuel rail of this thing. You got one like right over here where the fuel rail is, and then you got one in the very back. That's the fuel pressure sensor, and according to the diagram, the fuel pressure regulator is the one in the middle. I can't even get any. The guy says he can't even tell me when it's come. Even the dealer, I called everybody. Nobody can get the sensor. I'm gonna call one more company. Hopefully I can find it, because what I would like to do is, if it's a sensor problem, then no problem. I'll still tow with it. But if this is a CP4 failure problem, you know, I don't really want to tow with this truck, because the last thing I need is this CP4 to explode, metal going everywhere, and now this truck is pretty much dead and useless until the end of 2020. I mean, if that's the case, I'll scrap it and go buy a new truck. I'm not going to deal with that. That's ridiculous. The end of 2021, really? So you tell me I got to wait a year for my truck to be done? Come on. I don't know, guys. What do you think? What would you guys do? Comment down below. Should I just tow with it? I think I'm going to just tow with it. Maybe just go easy on it, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on with old girl.
Like Candy.
Yeah, just like Candy just exploded.
Sure, if that goes kapoosh, Candy's with it.
Well, when this goes kapoosh, it's only like a $4,000 or $5,000 fix for this motor. If that motor goes kapoosh, I think it's gonna be a little more pricier than Candy's kapushing instead of your doing.
Candy's not reading boost. Alba, if you're watching this video, your shit sucks.
What?
There's no instruction.
Yeah, I'm not an Alba fan. I don't buy anything Alba. I don't know if some of you guys.
Gauge. How hard can it be?
It's not just a gauge. It's Alba's like this is what I'm excited about, guys. It's Alba. They don't even have a digital gauge. I'm like, what is it really? They got like this old school. Give me a digital. What? Why? What is that? So I know. What? Is it working now?
No.
Hit it. Wait, did it move? Hold on. Hit it. No, it didn't even budge.
You can blow off out on.
The blow up, yeah, something's wrong.
There's a leak.
What?
There's a leak back there. Here.
No, what leak? You're trying to feel if there's a leak in there? No, your blow-off valve is working. The blow-off valve is working. Let's see, guys. Anything?
I feel the hose filling up, though. It's getting loose.
All right, so you got this hooked up wrong. All right, well, we'll go back to the drawing board. All right, guys, Carney is done. Cigar time. But Genesis, guys.
Yeah. Dilemmas.
Dilemma, yeah, big dilemma. So Genesis. Part two. Genesis has sold his enclosed trailer. Yes. So he no longer has a trailer. It's about, when do we leave to the desert? Halloween weekend? So
October 30th. So
no, 30. No, we leave like, I'm going to leave I think Wednesday, like the 28th.
You, man. People have to work sometimes, you know?
I'm going to go out there and work.
So Wednesday's the 20th.
I'm going to go out there and work.
So Wednesday's the 28th. Well, I'll leave on the 30th. Halloween day.
So Friday. Okay. So pretty much by like the 29th, this guy needs a toy hauler. So if any of you guys, he's looking for like, what's the biggest? 25, 28? Because he's
25 is max, not 28.
25. 25 because he's towing it with his F-150. He's got the Eco, what is it? The V6? V6. So that thing max tows like 12,000 pounds. So he's looking for a trailer that's like maybe.
You have to safely tow something. I would say safety is like 8,000 to 9,000 pounds.
Okay.
I want to put airbags on it, so that'd be good.
Oh, you are putting airbags. Do you guys want to see his build, his airbags, and his what else are you gonna put? Aren't you gonna put rims and shit?
Once my tires are done, yeah. Later on.
Once they're done, dude, your tires are gone. They're almost done.
You see the wire coming through?
Oh god, jeez. Genesis is having a hard time, guys. See, he hasn't done any details in a while.
Here's like an enclosed trailer.
I wouldn't do an enclosed. So this guy wants to buy another enclosed.
Remember?
Yeah, but for the price of like these weekend warriors, it's not. No. It's pretty nice, but it's so plain. Like.
That's nice.
Oh, I know, it's nice.
LEDs on top and put a little water tank under there.
I don't know, guys. I'm looking more
Here's
for.
the dilemma. We have desert season coming up. ASAP is time's flying. You know, that's how it always happens. Everyone's just getting ready the day before the desert.
Well, I'm ready.
I know.
I mean, I'm ready to go. I mean, I was looking on the internet for them, guys, on Craigslist, and then I got stuck with checking out these semi trucks racing and turbine engines racing. But yeah, you know. Oh, also, guys, I started a new YouTube channel. Go subscribe. It is called Celebrity Splash. Right there. See that? I'll put the link down in the description. Celeb. You can type in Celeb Splash, and you can check it out. That's the new channel. But don't forget, guys, comment down below. What do you think? Should I tow with the rammer? See what happens. Also, stay tuned. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about what do you do for tire pressure, Eddie? Well, I just got this kit right here. It's called the Tire Minder kit. I'll do a video for you guys on this tomorrow, but it's got valve caps. And all you do, you pretty much screw this on. You can monitor it by this device or by your phone. I got the 6 caps, obviously, because it goes to, I got 6 wheels. And it looks like this thing could go from 0 to 200 PSI. What are you yelling at over there, pal?
I don't want you to stop it.
Oh, I thought you said you started talking and then you just stopped now? And you left your tool. When are you going to put your tool back? You fixed the table, right? Huh? Well, I know. We're going to get a screw for the other one. But just put your tools back, sir.
I'm going to put that. I don't want to go.
I'll show you where it goes. Come here. So stay tuned for that video, guys. That should be out a couple days. But I don't know. What do you guys think? It's now the next morning, and I was thinking about it. I said, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to take this. I think we'll just use Pops' denali until the CP3 comes in. Let this thing sit and go from there. Let me know. Comment down below. I'm curious to know what you guys think. I mean, also, I've been reading on the forums, and there's people that, there's one guy, he said he He purchased his truck, his Ram. It's got like 120 miles on it, and he said it's pretty much just sitting in his garage. He's not driving it, he said, until his CP3 pump comes in, because I guess it's getting really bad with these. I don't know. This is what I've been reading off of the CUMMINS forum. So you guys let me know. Let me know what you guys think. You know, is anybody else out there that with this Ram, have you guys had a problem? Has your CP4, you know, exploded on you? You know, I'm curious to know of other problems that have occurred with this truck. So far, like I said, it's ran great for me, guys. I've never had any issue except this weird, you know, rail knock that we got at idle. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.